Okay, ready?
So you do it. I don't know. Or should we do it at the same time? Okay. Like, okay. What do I do? Can we move our heads like the same way?
And then just... Hey guys!
Welcome back to my channel.
Retake. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we did a challenge that I don't think I thought of, but I think I've seen only a couple other people do this. I looked it up on YouTube and I only saw like 2 other people do it. We did half our face with our right hand and half our face with our left hand, and we tried to see if we could make it look exactly the same. This is how mine came out. I think some parts of my left side actually came out better than some parts of my right side. I mean, we messed up a couple of times.
I messed up a lot. So I'd look right into the camera.
So if you would like to know the whole process and how we did it, then, do you know what I do? Do you know what I do? Keep on watching. Howdy.
Wait, are we doing an intro?
I do that at the end when we have the makeup all done. You're moisturizing your face, you go.
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, I think I'm ambidextrous, so.
Oh, so this I'm doing with my left hand, and this side I'll do with my right hand.
How do I do my nose? That's in the middle.
Can you see yourself?
No. It's, oh, yeah. I just accidentally.
What is that?
Perfect.
Okay.
Bitch, is you blind?
What's on your wrist?
I fell down the stairs when I was drunk.
Dab it on with this hand. Already feels so wrong.
Can I just use my hand?
Of course. I'm just setting my eyes with a white eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with this orangey shade from the Subculture palette and put that in my crease.
Well, here's the Morphe 35874.
Okay.
Uh-oh, this doesn't feel right.
I feel like I'm drunk, but I'm really not.
I'm
have so
gonna
many.
take this green shade and I'm gonna put that in my outer crease. I don't know why I chose the palette that is the most hard to blend. I know keeping your hand on the end of the handle is a little helpful.
I'm
Literally,
doing it like this
drunk.
close.
No. In there, just like
I hate
slimwear.
myself.
I said slimwear. I'm gonna grab this green from the NYX Ultimates
If you
palette.
need anything, you can just like dip into this one.
Wow, I just dipped so hard. Dip like tobacco.
No, don't do that.
Don't let tobacco control you.
I'm so slow.
It's just hard with your left hand, and I feel like I'm digging in my eyeball.
I'm gonna do this light color a little
Teal?
bit.
Do you know how to put on eyelashes though?
No, you have to do it.
It's the challenge for you.
Oh my god, I can figure it out.
Yeah, I did
Sometimes
how to put on eyelashes.
I make the ugliest faces when I do makeup. So I write with my left hand and like I eat with my left hand and everything, but like my right hand's my dominant hand. I think
really?
my left hand I have more control and my right hand I have more power.
I look like a crocodile. I'm gonna dip into some black too. All right, I'm gonna start cutting out my crease. Oh, I turned it toward the bush.
We don't want to get our bush on camera.
Get some help.
And now I'm setting my concealer with a white shade.
I suck at makeup, but my
That looks
secret,
good.
Thanks. My secret is, even if you don't know what you're doing, just
Blend.
You're so right.
little dab of black.
Perfect.
One time I put cottage cheese in my hair.
Why?
It was a couple months ago.
Enlighten me why you did this.
Because I read online somewhere that I was supposed to put yogurt in my hair. I just couldn't find yogurt, so I just
Cottage
got
cheese?
I am disgusted.
It looks good from far away, like in that mirror. Yeah, but like
I'm having trouble. Mine are Lily lashes in the style Miami, and hers are Huda Beauty lashes in the style Samantha.
Huda?
No. Huda. Have you blown on it for a while?
no, I didn't blow it.
Sicko.
Oh my god, the eyelashes, like, they just make you look so much better.
Stunning.
I might have
You
to
look
start doing
gorgeous.
this, but I feel so weird. Oh my god.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But I think we can come back from this.
We can come back from anything if you want to.
I always do concealer first, so I'm just gonna do that.
Okay.
I've had my concealer for like 2 years. Like not since last Christmas, but since the Christmas before. Wow, wow.
He just what?
I just feel like I look good. Hey,
Yeah.
Stop it.
What's the number for Monsters Inc? They're like, we
I
have
don't
a
remember.
2314.
2319! We have a 2319!
2319. At least you didn't short.
Do you do that often?
No, like, I'm not gonna say often. I'm just gonna say it's happened before.
I wish Vine was still like open because there's so many like opportunities. My favorite Vine is my fell off. My fell off.
One of my favorite Vines, it's really underrated. I think it's so funny. There's this little boy and he has this fake knife and he like stabs his brother and the other guy goes, "Why would you kill him like that?"
Hey, McCart, watch this.
What are you doing? Why would you kill him like that?
It's so underrated and it's just so funny. Like,
Or I love the one that goes, my white Valentino bag.
Lipstick and my Valentino white.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Macy,
oh, burn.
it's a good color.
I feel like I definitely need to start buying better products.
You need to get brushes.
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
like
I use my right hand.
idiot.
I didn't conceal my pimples over here just because it's my left side.
All the
and
pimps in the crib, ma, drop her like it's hot.
It's me and me at prom.
Yeah.
Well, bronze is gonna make you look tanner.
Danny Tanner.
Danny Tanner is my queen. I wonder how Saget's doing. I just want to call him Saget.
But I'm just gonna fix up. I just want to fix the top of my eyeshadow.
My hand looks
Wrong
so
hand.
stupid. Like, look at my hand. It's just like punching me
A
in the
limp
face.
noodle.
I feel like my left hand just does stuff stupider. I'm gonna nose contour. Ha ha ha. Jingle all the way. I'm gonna highlight with a mix of Hella, which is the green, and the silver, since I have a green theme going on right now. This is how I'm doing with my left side. When I do my eyebrows, I go like this. I look angry.
I can barely ever do my lips like regular. This looks like I just ate an apple.
I'm gonna use the same color as you. No, I need to freaking do my bottom lash line. Thank you guys so much for watching.
If you like this video,
Please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on other videos I should do next, other challenge videos, other tutorials, anything that you have suggestions for, leave it in the comment section below. I will obviously I'll text you back.
You better.
But thank you guys so much for waiting till the end and watching the whole video. I really appreciate
She appreciates it, I swear.
I love you guys, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!